Philippine Army received for inspection several trucks and ambulances that are acquired in 2019. The Philippine Army said that the procurement is not part of the revised AFP modernization program, but was funded through the Philippine Army's General Appropriation Act of 2019. The Philippine Army procured a total of 70 different trucks from China, with a total cost worth 227,500,000 Philippine peso, funded through a General Appropriation Act or the yearly budget of the Philippine Army. The acquisition consists of 49 units Beijing Auto Works BJ 2022 Yongshi 4x4 light troop carrier worth 122,500,000 Philippine peso. 18 Sinatruck Howo 6-wheeler cargo trucks worth 90 million Philippine peso, and 3 field ambulances worth 15 million Philippine peso. The Philippine Army's truck acquisition is won by a local supplier, Ginny Import and Export Trading Company. Philippine Army spokesperson Colonel Xerxes Trinidad said to Inquirer.net, and I quote, "A technical inspection is ongoing for 49 light troop carriers, 18 medium cargo trucks, and 3 ambulances manufactured by Chinese state-owned Dongfeng Motors. The delivery itself is for technical inspection, if we will accept it, so there's a big possibility that if what they delivered was not what was promised regarding specifications, we will not accept definitely," unquote. End.